Mike Arrington here. So, a lot of this don't... Excuse me. Hendrickson. Hendrickson. Hendrickson! Where's my post? Anyway, a lot of you don't know that I love nature. So here at TechCrunch headquarters, in the backyard, there's a little nature trail. So when things get too tough and I get under pressure, always having to break stories, I like to go for a walk. So I'm going to take you for a walk in my backyard. So we're in my backyard. Come on, let's take a walk. This really relaxes me. I do some of my best thinking out here. Hendrickson! That post better be up! It's really beautiful here in Atherton, I tell this guys, don't leave the goldfish out. I don't know how many times I have to tell these fucking guys not to leave the goldfish out. Hendrickson! The goldfish are out! I love this ivy over here. It's very soothing to me. No, I'm not going to let him get the best of me. You hear those dogs barking? Those are Laguna's friends. Well, not really. Hendrickson!